In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Wise to Alipay. Step 1. Log into Wise. Open the Wise app or website and sign in with your account credentials. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Choose Send Money. Click Send Money and set the destination country to China. Step 3. Select Alipay as payment method. Select Alipay wallet as the receiving method. Ensure the recipient's name and Alipay ID are accurate. Step 4. Enter transfer amount in CNY. Enter the amount you want to send in Chinese yuan. Wise will show fees and exchange rates in real time. Step 5. Add recipient details. Enter the recipient's full name and their Alipay wallet ID for successful delivery. Step 6. Confirm and pay. Review all transfer details, then confirm and authorize payment using your chosen funding method. Step 7. Recipient receives money in Alipay. The recipient will receive funds in their Alipay wallet or bank account linked to Alipay, usually within seconds to a few minutes. Now I have some tips for sending money to Alipay. Only send to individual Alipay accounts and not businesses. Make sure recipient completes real name verification on Alipay for smooth deposits. And be mindful of the transaction limits. Max 50,000 CNY per transfer and 500,000 CNY annually. And that's how you transfer from Wise to Alipay. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.